And we continue learning Hachzek Musar Yomi Rabeinu Yona's Sharei Teshuva. We pick it up on the 43rd page in the art school Sharei Teshuva, as we're in the middle of discussing the Ikar HaChamishi, the fifth principle of Teshuva, which is Daiga, worrying. Rabeinu Yona already gave us two reasons why one should be worried in the process of Teshuva, and he continues, Vayidek Bala Teshuva. And furthermore, the Baal Teshuva should be worried, Penny Iskaber Alav Yitzray. Maybe in the future the Yetzer Hara is going to get him again. As the Mishnah Navos teaches us, Al Tamin Batzcha, do not rely on yourself until the day of your death. Certainly someone that the Yetzer Hara has already prevailed, certainly you should be worried. He has to be worried about this enemy at all times. And increases fear of Hashem every day. And if he keeps on increasing fear of Hashem, that's going to be the ma'is. That will be the stronghold, the protection. When the Yetzer Hara tries again, then the fact that he's increasing his Yiras Hashem, that will be that which will hold him strong and allow him to not succumb to Yetzer Hara again. So three reasons why one has to worry is the punishment. He might not have fulfilled his tshuva completely, and he might fall prey to the Yetzer Hara once again. Continues Rabeinu Yona of Dibur Shlomo Lav Shalom Al Dvar Tshuva. Shlomo HaMelech spoke about tshuva, part of Inyan Hazeh, and specifically mentioned Inyan Hazeh. This Inyan, this point of being worried. And says Shlomo HaMelech in Mishlei, when the Sadiqim rejoice, Rabo Tiferes, there's much splendor. But when the Rishayim get up, Yechubas Adam, there are many victims. Pirush, what does this mean? What do the Sadiqim do? They praise, they glorify. B'nei Adam, people are called Ma'ila Toivanim, says Behem. For any little bit of good that they do, Sadiqim hone in on that, they magnify that. For Rishayim, but what about the Rishayim? They look for the mumim, the negativities, the faults, the errors of other people. And even after one has already done tshuva, still the Rishayim point out to the fault that was within them. So after Shlomo HaMelech teaches us this critical difference between the outlook of a tzaddik and the rasha, says Shlomo HaMelech, if you hide your averos, you're not going to succeed. But if you confess and you leave the averos, then you'll get rachamim, you'll get mercy. Pirush, what does that mean? Even though the Baal Teshuva should not tell other people about his averos, as we see from the pasuk that says that when the Rishayim get up, there are many victims. Still, he should confess them to Hashem, not to other people, but to Hashem. I made known to you, Hashem, my avera. I'm entering the judgment with Hashem, saying that I did something wrong. So even though one should not usually hide his averas from other people, one should hide his affairs from other people. He should not hide them from Hashem. Continues Rabeinu Yona v'chachli yisrael zechron lebracha pershu and say the chacham megmar niyuma. Then in reality, even at times, if you hide your averas, you're not going to be successful. Meaning, even from people, there are times you even have to allow people to know that what you did wrong. If you harmed your friend, because if you did something, an interpersonal issue, you stole something, there's no tshuva until you return that. Until you ask for mechila. If you harm someone, you cause someone to be embarrassed, you spoke lashon hara about someone. Or for example, if you have an affair between you and Hashem that other people know about, Hashem. So So if you do something that other people know about, part of the tshuva process is to come clean to the other people. Just like you have to return the gazel, you have to come clean to the other people. So if there's an aveira in public, you have to do the tshuva in public. Why? Because in order to rectify and fix the chilul Hashem, you have to create a kiddush Hashem. Continues Rabeinu Yona of Zeu Shekasa. This is the pasuk in Yirmiyah Kach Reshuvi Nichamti. After I have come back, I've been remorseful. Inni Nichamti. What does it mean? I'm remorseful. Acharot of Atzar. That's regretting the pain over this veer that he did. Ki Ikar Tshuva Mimrius Halev Kasher Bi'arnu, as we've explained. This is the third Ikar. Is what? Is feeling bitter. Is feeling this grief in one's lev, in one's heart. V'achle Yivadi Sifakti Al Yarach. And after other people know about it, I slap my thigh. What does that mean? After other people know about it, I have to mourn in front of other people. If it's an avera that people knew about, then a tshuva they have to know about. Like someone who slaps his thigh when he feels bad. As Eev says, he goes to people, tell him, I've been an avera, I made crooked that which should have been upright. So another reason to worry is to let other people know about your Aveira is in a scenario in which either you harm them or the Aveira was done in public, therefore the tshuva has to be done in public as well.